Knowledge management. Knowledge management is the process of capturing, organizing, sharing, and efficiently managing an organization's knowledge to enhance productivity, improve decision-making, and drive innovation. This knowledge includes both explicit knowledge, which can be documented information like manuals and reports, and tacit knowledge, which is the expertise, skills, and insights held by individuals. Key elements of knowledge management. Knowledge creation and capture element ensures that new insights, ideas, and solutions are documented so that they don't get lost and can benefit the entire organization. Without capturing knowledge, valuable insights might stay with individuals instead of being available for everyone. By organizing knowledge well, we make sure people can find the information they need without wasting time. If knowledge isn't stored in a structured way, it becomes difficult to retrieve, leading to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Sharing and collaboration makes sure knowledge isn't trapped in silos but flows across teams and departments. Collaboration encourages a culture of learning, where employees build on each other's knowledge and develop new solutions. Knowledge needs to be actively used to make an impact. Application and utilization ensures that past experiences, insights, and best practices are applied in everyday work, which improves the quality of decisions and helps avoid repeating past mistakes. Knowledge management isn't just about gathering information, it's about keeping it long-term. When employees leave, they often take valuable knowledge with them. Retention practices ensure that expertise stays within the organization and continues to add value over time. Key knowledge management processes. We need knowledge creation to drive progress and innovation within the organization. By encouraging research and tapping into employee insights, we are building a system where new ideas can emerge and grow. This keeps us adaptable and helps us find solutions to challenges we may not have faced before. Knowledge capture ensures that valuable insights don't get lost over time. This means we are documenting not only the information we see in reports but also the unwritten know-how or personal expertise people gain on the job. Using interviews, debriefs, and even AI tools, we are able to capture insights that can be shared and used across the organization. Knowledge organization is all about structuring information in a way that makes it easy to find. By creating a clear system, using categories, tags, and even knowledge maps, people can quickly locate what they need without unnecessary searching. This setup helps keep productivity high and prevents frustration when looking for specific information. Sharing and distribution are essential to making sure knowledge doesn't stay locked within specific teams or individuals. When we promote a culture of sharing and give employees tools like forums and intranets, we are encouraging collaboration. This approach allows everyone to learn from each other, improving overall efficiency and reducing repeated work. Knowledge application is the step where all this knowledge turns into real action. By applying what we've learned to tasks, decision-making, and strategy, we are not just storing knowledge, we are using it to make smarter, more informed choices. This helps us avoid mistakes and continuously improve our outcomes. Finally, knowledge retention is about holding on to expertise, especially when employees transition out of roles or leave the organization. We do this by mentoring new team members, creating comprehensive documentation, and planning for succession. This way, valuable knowledge isn't lost but instead gets passed on, strengthening the organization's foundation. Knowledge types. Explicit knowledge can be easily documented information, such as policies, procedural manuals, data, and reports. It's stored in formats like text, video, or images and can be shared widely through documentation or systems. Tacit knowledge is unwritten, intuitive knowledge held by individuals, like insights, skills, or experience. It's harder to capture as it resides within people and requires practices like mentorship or collaboration to share. Embedded knowledge is information embedded in processes, products, or routines. It reflects organizational know-how and is typically captured in workflow designs, procedures, or technologies. Knowledge management strategies. Personalization strategy focuses on tacit knowledge, encouraging employee interaction and direct knowledge transfer, example through mentoring, collaboration, and team projects. Codification strategy emphasizes explicit knowledge, using tools to document and store information systematically. Examples include databases, document management systems, and knowledge repositories. Hybrid strategy combines both personalization and codification approaches, balancing structured documentation with flexible, people-centric interactions to cater to both types of knowledge. Challenges in knowledge management. Employees might withhold knowledge intentionally or unintentionally, fearing loss of relevance or job security. Building a culture of openness and trust can address this. Choosing and implementing the right knowledge management technology can be challenging, especially in large organizations with complex needs. It's essential to select systems that fit the organization's size, culture, and workflow. Because tacit knowledge is often unconscious and personal, capturing it requires social approaches like mentorship, storytelling, or apprenticeship programs. Change management is essential when introducing new knowledge management initiatives. Employees often resist change, so it's important to communicate clearly, provide training, and ensure that the new system aligns with organizational goals. This helps smooth the transition and encourages buy-in from everyone involved. Too much information can overwhelm users. Proper categorization, search functionality, and personalized access controls help manage the information flow. Knowledge management tools and technologies. Content management systems organize and store digital content. Examples include SharePoint and Documentum. Knowledge repositories and databases serve as centralized storage for explicit knowledge. These can include document libraries, wikis, and FAQ systems. Collaboration platforms facilitate team communication and knowledge sharing, example Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Confluence. Learning management systems, LMS provide training and development, helping to distribute knowledge organization-wide, example Moodle, Canvas. Data mining and analytics tools analyze data to uncover patterns, trends, and insights, thus supporting decision-making, example Power BI, Tableau. Artificial intelligence and machine learning aid in automating knowledge capture, identifying relevant information, and suggesting resources, example AI chatbots for customer support, NLP tools for document classification. Knowledge management metrics. Utilization rates measure how frequently knowledge assets, example documents, databases, are accessed and used by employees. Surveys or feedback forms can help assess the quality, relevance, and ease of access of knowledge management resources. Monitoring productivity improvements, reduced time to competency, or error reduction can reflect the effectiveness of knowledge management initiatives. Retention of key knowledge. Metrics here focus on the effectiveness of knowledge transfer programs and reductions in knowledge loss during staff turnover. Innovation rates, increased number of new ideas, products, or processes can indicate a successful knowledge management program that supports innovation.